Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I want to take you through a certain simple process. Are you a mommy trying to stop your breast milk after your baby is fully weaned? Here is a solution for you. It's natural and you'll be assisted. This is our cabbage. We're going to use the cabbage leaves for the process. And for this case, I already have the leaf I've plucked, this one. So we're going to wash our cabbage leaf first. You wash it very well. When you're done, we're going to put it in a fridge to get a little bit cold. We have to use it when it is cold. Your leaves, if you find that your leaf has this vein, if it is too big, you can cut it first. You cut the vein. You cut it so it remains flat. Then we can put it in our fridge. Then after that we can have our leaf here again. It's cold enough. So this is our bra. Before you put it on, you're going to take that leaf that we had kept in the fridge. We place it very well. You place it very well on your bra cup, but then you have to make a better size, a sizable one, so you don't feel uncomfortable, because it is something that you're going to stay with for some time. So this is our cup, our size, and if you don't want your nipples to be wet, we can make a small hole around there to allow your nipples out. Then you place it on your bra just like that. Before you put it on, make sure you do it on both sides. You just do like that, and then you put on your bra very well, just like that. You can cut the extra size, the extra part that is around here, you can cut it off. So you put both sides, and then you will stay with it for at least 2 hours, and you must make sure you keep on changing almost all the time so guys, that is our simple process. It's very natural, without any side effects, and it will really help you. Don't forget, you must always change the leaf when it has wilted. Make sure it's as fresh as possible. Whenever you change, make sure it's cold. Keep the leaves in the fridge so that it will be always ready to be used. Finally, if you really want to know how many days you can use it, this process you can do it anytime, as many times as you want, because our bodies are different. So you can repeat the process for until you will feel that your milk has dried up, and definitely it will take maybe 3, 4, 5 days. You will be done. Yes, thank you for watching my video. Kindly share with your friends. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. If you have not subscribed to my video, kindly do so. I will highly appreciate. Thank you.